Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Angelica Sevilla, 26 years old, married. I have 2 kids, ages 6 years old and 3 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic. I'm graduated 2 years course of hotel and restaurant services. I'm the youngest of the family.
Do you have any? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 1 brother.
Okay, and your kids are 6 and 3, right?
Yes,
Are they both boys or girls?
1 boy and 1 girl.
Who's the boy here?
The 6 years old man.
Okay, and who will look for them if you're going to Hong Kong?
My parents and my husband.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you an ex-abroad or first time going abroad?
First time going abroad.
Okay, so do you have an experience before as a helper here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
I have experience of 2 years here in the Philippines, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
I serve 3 members, ma'am. 1 adult and 2 kids. Ages 7 years old and 2 years old, ma'am.
The 7 is a girl or a boy?
A boy, ma'am.
About the 2?
Girl, ma'am.
Okay, so your employer is a single mom or a single dad?
A single ma'am.
Okay, and what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do all the household chores. I'll do cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, taking good care of the child.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you go marketing?
Twice a week, ma'am.
You go alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you cook for them every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to have a good salary for the future, for the better future of my family, ma'am.
Okay, and how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off, or your employer will offer you twice a month off, and the 2 other off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order that there's a grandparent staying in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
How about there's a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay for you.
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you good in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food or no?
I will willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay. But you know how to follow recipes from the YouTube or the recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Good day, ma'am, sir. To my future employer, please do hire me as your helper because I am hardworking and flexible. And I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities to you, ma'am, sir. And I will promise to finish my contract to you, ma'am. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay. Thank you very much, HL 2029.